Alrighty, so we're going to cook the meatballs. Going to cook them until they're fully done. We've also got some bread rolls. These are the only ones we could get. But yeah, we're going to use these ones just for tonight. I've also got some mozzarella, which I'm going to drain because it's in a liquid here. I'm going to drain this and I'm going to slice it. It's only small, so I'll slice it into like 4 slices. Alright, so because I didn't want to make a heavy sauce, I literally used just a bit of pesto. Well, I say a bit. But a tablespoon of pesto on the inside of each one here. As you can see, it just fills the inside. Alrighty, so the meatballs are in the subs. Now we're going to put the mozzarella cheese on top and stick them under the oven so that they can melt over the top. I've put a little bit of chili and garlic seasoning on top, and now they're going in the oven. Here it is, guys. I didn't want to overdo it because I like it still a bit heavy, and this is going to go really crunchy otherwise, but look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And it's only small. I'm going to chop this in half and we'll have a look. Look at that, guys. Look at them. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Bye, y'all. Yes. Alrighty, so look at that. Look at that. Oh, doesn't that look good? Mozzarella meatball subs with pesto instead of sauce and chili and garlic flakes on top in a bun. Absolutely delicious. Who's hungry? You want some? Let's go get it. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everybody.